Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. The Weider 8530 is supposed to have 2 risers for each one of the sets of weights. The one that I got didn't have them, so I'm making them up out of some 3/4 inch conduit. Now the front ones needed to be 70 inches long. The back ones need to be 68. Well, we all know how I love hacksaws, but I think a tubing cutter works better. I'm going to make sure and put a little oil on the wheel. I had a camera glitch, so I didn't get a chance to show you the cut, so I'm going to recut this. Just need a little oil on the rollers, not much. Then you tighten the wheel down, about a 1/4 turn each time. Cuts it off nice and clean. Any burrs are to the inside of the pipe. And you can take those out with a round file. Or by using the deburring tool that comes with the tubing cutter. A lot easier than cutting off with one of those hacksaws. But that's the easy way to cut a piece of conduit. Doesn't work so well when you're trying to cut one against the wall, but doing it like this out in the open, easy. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know, I read them all. Thanks for watching.